Hello, my name is Misty. I am a tutor at the Student Success Center for San Juan College. Today, I am going to show you how to download and install an Autodesk software program called 3ds Max. With 3ds Max, you can design, animate, and render 3D models. I want to start today's video by showing you how to access the Autodesk website. To begin, we're going to launch Google Chrome or your preferred web browser. In the search bar, you will type www.autodesk.com. You will then press Enter on your keyboard. Before starting the download and installation process of 3ds Max, be sure to sign in to your Autodesk account. If you do not have an Autodesk account, please refer back to the video named Creating an Autodesk Account, which is available in our YouTube library for the San Juan College Student Success Center. To sign in, you will need to use your San Juan College credentials, and those include your San Juan College email address. Once you've entered your San Juan College email address, please press Next. You will then type in your password used when you created your account. Once you have completed this step, you can select Sign In. After you have signed in, you will then scroll to the bottom of the website, and underneath the section named Products, you're going to click on Free Product Trials. In order to properly download and install 3ds Max or any other Autodesk software, you're going to need to unlock student access. In order to do this, you will need to click on the Get Started and then follow the prompts and fill out all the information needed to unlock student access. Once you've completed the educational access, you can click on Sign In. Your web page will be redirected and should look similar to mine. Next, we're going to locate the 3ds Max software program. So we're going to use our scroll bar, and we're going to scroll down until we find 3ds Max. It's in the third row to the right. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to click on Get Product, and then you'll see 3 drop-down menus. If you click on each drop-down menu, the first one gives you a choice of what type of device or system you're using. So I am Windows, so that's been selected for me. And then you always want to choose the newest year, so the most recent year. Currently, I have 2021, but I'm going to go ahead and install the 2022 version today. In the last drop-down menu, please select the preferred language. So I'm selecting English today. Once you've completed these 3 drop-down menus, you're going to click on the Install. You can either download it or you can install it. So we're going to start with a download. You should get a small window letting you know what the download time will be. If you need to step away and take a break at this time, please do so. After the download process has been completed, you can now click on the Install button, and then you're going to click on Accept, which means you agree to the Autodesk Terms of Use and acknowledge the Autodesk Privacy Statement. You're going to click on the small window located in the bottom left corner of the website screen. A new window should appear asking, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You're going to select Yes. A new window will appear in the upper left-hand corner, and it should say Preparing for Installation. A new window will appear that will ask you choose where to install. I always like to install these big programs on my C drive. Once you've selected the designated area on where this installation will happen, you may now click Next. Select additional components. I suggest that you do install all of the additional components because they do go along with the 3ds Max download and installation. Once you've made your selections, you can now click on Install. After you've completed these steps and you've reached this window of installing 3ds Max, this is a lengthy process, so please be sure that if you're working on a mobile device that your charging cord has been plugged into your device. And if you need to step away while this is installing, please do so now. Once the installation has completed, you will see the following window asking you to please restart your computer to finish installing. You may now select the Restart button. This brings us to the conclusion of how to install the Autodesk software program called 3ds Max. Make sure to look out for our other videos on Autodesk products like AutoCAD and 3ds Max because they are coming soon. Please remember that assistance is here and your success matters. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos on the Tutoring Center website by typing www.sanjuancollege/tutoring center/. You can also find us on Facebook by typing www.facebook.com/tutoringsjc. If you're interested in seeing any more of our videos that are provided by the Student Success Center and Tutoring Center, please check out our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the bell for reminders. If you are needing assistance with online or face-to-face tutoring, please go to our Tutoring Center website and fill out the online request form. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and together we can do this.